So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to start a new project in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is actually swipe on over to your iMovie app, and you can recognize it by seeing this white star over a blue field. So let's click on that. On here you can see your projects. You can also open up to import a project, so you can start a project through there. So you can also start a completely new project. You just open this tab on here, and you can see here, choose media from photos and let iMovie create a movie for you. So you can create a project through here, or you can use storyboards. So you use beautiful templates to easily create a video or a movie trailer, or click on movie, make a movie from scratch using media from photos and your camera. So let's choose the third option. And on here, you're gonna see moments, video, photos, albums, and your backgrounds. So on here, just choose some video that you've created and add it. You will see the options to create a movie. And you can see here, I've just added this and it says my movie. It's just some random video. And once you're satisfied with how you set up the movie and how it looks, you can go ahead and click on done. And you can see here, it says my projects, and you can export it, you can delete it, you can edit it as well. So you can go back to your projects and it will appear on here. So that's how you can create a new project in iMovie. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.